fam? Andy tuning in. You saw what I was chopping up earlier. I got some pizzas in the works. I got a medium pan on about medium or so. Just getting it warmed up. 1 second. These are all the peaches chopped up. Did my best to do it evenly. We're gonna add them to the pan, all of them. Check this out. No oil. Ooh. Okay. Alright. It's time for our 2 ingredients at the moment. It's going to be 2/3 of a cup of sugar. I'm choosing to use cane sugar. 1/3. 2/3. Okay. And then next is going to be 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Let's say 2 sprinkles of salt. Alright. And then we stir. It might seem like a lot of sugar, but we're making a kind of a pie feeling right now. I'm attempting to make a peach cobbler. Now you may notice that there are 2 different shades of color of these peaches. I got the white and kind of the orange yellow ones. That was on purpose. Just wanted to see what it would do flavor wise. Alright, got everything stirred up. Alright. I cannot wait. I've been dreaming about this for quite some time. And learning how to do this, I could do any kind of fruits, honestly. Alright, okay. Seems like everything is stirred up. And we're going to cook this for about 5 minutes or so. And stirring occasionally. A big shout out to Make It Dairy Free for making this possible and giving me the inspiration, because I've been dreaming about this. And I'm so happy to make the video because their desserts are on point. Alright y'all, be back within 5 minutes. Alright y'all, you want to zoom in real quick before I turn this off. This is what it looks like right now. Nice and gooey. It seems like the peaches have left or expelled some of their juices out. Probably due to the sugar and the salt and also the cooking. So I just turned it off. And this is what it looks like. They do recommend you using arrowroot extract or powder, or just regular cornstarch if you want it more thicker. But I'm gonna just try it like this. I remember pies and such being this kind of juicy consistency. I'm gonna just leave it at that. Okay, be right back with the crust, kind of crumble biscuit thing on top. 1 second. What's up y'all? And you're tuning back in for the crumbly crust or topping that goes on top of the peach cobbler. So first things first, I'm gonna go with a cup of all-purpose flour. And from what I've learned is you want to spoon. I'm sorry it's out the frame, but it is what it is. You want to spoon the flour into the cup, not just get the cup and dunk it into the flour and scoop it up. That tends to mess up the weight and the actual measurements. Okay. So like, see, I've been just spooning the flour. That's about right. Okay, that's a cup of flour. Next thing we need is 3/4 cups of brown sugar. Pour this into here. My 1/4 cup measurement. So I'm gonna need 3 of these. Alright, that's 1, 2, and I use coconut sugar for this one. Coconut brown sugar. 3/4 cups. Put my flour away. Real quick. Okay, we're gonna whisk this together. I'm gonna need me a tablespoon of baking powder. Okay. 1 tablespoon. You can see that. I'm gonna add it first so I don't forget. Okay. Now next step is our non-dairy milk. You can go ahead and buy this. I chose to make it. I mix what was it? Walnuts, almonds, and a little bit of cashews. Some seasonings like cinnamon and vanilla and whatnot. Give it a stir so all the seasonings came up. Okay. And then for the dairy milk, or dairy-free milk, excuse me, we need a half a cup. So let me be camera friendly. There goes a half a cup of dairy-free milk. Alright. And then to this we're gonna add 2 tablespoons of maple syrup. Yes, it is a lot of sugar. I wish it didn't have to be, but hey, we're making dessert. 1 tablespoon and 2 tablespoons. Okay, that's that. Oh, forgot the salt. 1 second. Same thing, 1/4 teaspoon. I add 2 little pinches of salt, sea salt that is. I need 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. I'm gonna use the little spoon, or the cap, excuse me. Alright. Do a little extra. Nothing too crazy. And then that looks like it's it. So I'm gonna mix this with a spoon. And they mentioned Larisha, she was the one actually narrating the video of Make It Dairy Free, to mix it together until you don't see any dry material, aka the flour and such, but you don't want to overmix. I think I might add just a little bit of milk. Nah, seems to be alright. Ooh, nice and sticky. Okay, yep, I'm good. Alright, so we got our pan. I'm preheating the oven. Should have done that already, but it's okay. We're not in a rush. And I should have mentioned to y'all that I had my vegan melted butter, or my vegan butter melted. Alright. Okay. See that? And it was one of the sticks of the earth balance. It said it was a half a cup, so I just threw the whole stick. Okay, and I don't have any fancy dish. I wish I did. Seen them at the store and I was like, man, I kind of want one, but do I need one? Nah. Okay. So after that, we want to spoon the kind of crust or biscuit mixture inside, and we want to spread this evenly towards the bottom. When I first saw this, I was like, what? Why would you want to put this first? But I'm guessing the in the oven and whatnot, some type of reaction happens, and the filling goes towards the bottom, and this will rise. Probably due to the flour and the baking powder, right? Get all the little sides. We're not wasting anything. And this is one of the most simplest desserts, besides the cookies. Besides what? Man, I was looking back and I can't believe I thought making rice pudding or arroz con leche would be kind of tough. And I'll be making peach cobblers and all kinds of shit. Not shit, but you know, you get the message. Okay, maybe a little bigger pan would have worked better, but hey, it is what it is. And I hope this works. Probably just be a little more buttery than anything. Okay, and I don't think a square casserole would be a big deal. I really don't. Okay, and then we add our peaches. Huh, it was too simple. Okay, we add our peaches. And one thing she for sure mentioned to not do is to mix this. Do not mix the filling with the crust biscuit thing. That'd be a no-no. I'm guessing that would negate the effect of the of the biscuit or the topping rising. From rising, excuse me. I'm watching this just like you guys, and I'm amazed at what I'm able to do and what you're able to do, honestly, because you can do this too. Okay. And then the final step is to sprinkle a little bit of cinnamon on the top. Learning to use my left hand for y'all watching. A little sacrifice I don't mind doing. And because cinnamon just is a great friend of nutmeg, I will break that out right now. No specific amount, I don't think she said, but I just want to eyeball this, and it smells so good. It smells so good. Oh, that's crazy. Yeah, we're kind of seeing it. Okay, and then nutmeg, just a little bit. Bam. That's it, y'all. That's it, really. We're gonna wait for the oven to beep, and we're gonna stick this in for about, what was it, 35 to 45 minutes. I'll be back when that comes up. Eat this nice and warm with the little vegan ice cream on top. Be back, y'all, for the review. I'm sure it'll be great. Peace. Check that out, man. Been about 40 minutes. Let it cool off for maybe like 2 or 3 hours. I don't know. Just chilling. Looking at this amazing thing. It didn't fully cover it, but I'm not really tripping on it. Just happy it worked out. Kind of the filling went to the middle, and the bread or the crusting went to the side. Either way, man, I'm super excited to try it. It's still warm. Wow. Just a little bit. I'm not gonna go overboard. But what I will do is get some little vanilla bean ice cream I bought earlier today. You can really tell the difference between the white and the yellow peaches. I'm so happy. I'm so happy right now. Get to indulge on the day off. Look at this. The more of the filling is where the juice is at. You feel me? Huh. Some of the filling went down. Interesting. Interesting how things work out. I'm never too certain about things, but that's cooking, and that's what experimenting is about. Check it out, y'all. I got the So Delicious. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Vanilla bean. Excuse me for shaking the camera. A little too excited. Wow. Oh yeah. Nothing like the fresh scoop of ice cream of a pint you just bought. It's hot as hell outside. We're in Texas summer right now. We're about to be summer in 2 days. The summer solstice, you know what I'm saying? 21st. Oh yeah. Nice helping of ice cream. Oh yeah, buddy. This is what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about right there. Give me 1 second. I'll get my seat and get ready for the review. Alright, yo. It's time for the revealing. Time for the ultimate test. Easy to make. Sticking the ice cream off the spoon. This is the peach cobbler. First time ever making it. Long time since I've had this actually. It's a store-bought or homemade. Yeah, really long time. And the fact that I'm in Texas, it's summertime, it's the season, and 'tis the season, man. Peach cobbler, y'all. Veganized. Wow, bro. Big shout out to Make It Dairy Free for making my dreams come true. For helping me out, assisting me, co-creating this with me. Now, first bite was just the peaches and a little bit of the crust, the crumble. whatever you want to call it. Delicious, still a little fruity, a little tart because it's fresh fruit. I didn't cook it for that much. It was a little more than 5 minutes on the pan before I put it onto the thing to go into the oven. Oh my god. With some ice cream, y'all, with some ice cream. Wow. Perfect. It's hidden. Perfect, yo. Couldn't ask for much more. Perfect. Perfect, man. I'm sorry that I'm biased. You know, I am plant-based. I am a big fan of making dairy-free, but if you make this yourself, it's so simple. Just grab a few ingredients. Even if it is canned peaches, I'm sure it'll still be good. Alright, y'all, I'm gonna sit back and enjoy my dessert. I'm so thankful. I'm ever grateful for this. I'm so happy I can share this with the public, even though if you're watching, if not, regardless, man, I'm so happy if you do watch this. I'm happy I can give this idea to others, just how it was given to me, and showing y'all that it's possible, man. Just a regular looking dude on my day off. Man, tremendous, tremendous. Thank y'all for watching. Y'all take care. Have a good day, man. Peace.